TCL 98QM7L Series SQD Mini LED 4K UHD Smart TV Overview, Specifications, Price, and Availability Overview. The TCL 98QM7L series is one of the most ambitious large-screen TVs launched in 2026, designed to bring a true cinematic experience into the home. With its massive 98-inch display and next-generation SQD Super Quantum Dot Mini LED technology, this television is positioned as a premium yet relatively affordable alternative to ultra-high-end oldie and mini LED models from competing brands. At its core, the QM7L focuses on three pillars: extreme brightness, precise contrast control, and immersive smart functionality. It combines advanced mini LED backlighting with quantum dot color enhancement to deliver a picture that is not only bright but also rich in detail and color accuracy. TCL has also integrated AI-powered image processing and gaming-focused features, making the TV versatile for movies, sports, and next-generation gaming. What makes this model particularly attractive is its ability to deliver flagship-level performance at a competitive price point. Compared to similarly sized premium TVs, the QM7L offers a compelling balance between performance and value, making it a strong contender for anyone building a home theater setup. Design and build. The TCL 98QM7L features a sleek, modern design that emphasizes immersion. The nearly bezel-less display, often referred to as TCL's full-view design, ensures minimal distractions when watching content. The ultra-slim profile is impressive for a mini LED TV of this size, giving it a premium look whether mounted on a wall or placed on a stand. Despite its elegant appearance, this is a very large television, measuring over 85 inches in width. As such, it requires a spacious room and careful placement. The build quality is solid, with a durable frame and well-designed stand that provides stability. Cable management options are included to maintain a clean setup. Display technology. The highlight of the QM7L is its SQD Mini LED display, a newer evolution of Mini LED technology. This system enhances traditional quantum dot displays by improving color purity and brightness efficiency. Key display features: up to 3000 nits peak brightness for exceptional HDR, performance 2100 plus local dimming zones for precise contrast and deeper blacks, 100% BT 2012 gamut for ultra-wide color reproduction, 4K UHD resolution, 3842,160. These features combine to deliver an incredibly vivid and dynamic picture. The high brightness ensures excellent visibility even in brightly lit rooms, while the dense dimming zones help reduce blooming and improve shadow detail. Additionally, the HVA panel technology enhances contrast and viewing angles, ensuring consistent image quality regardless of seating position. Picture quality. Picture quality is where the QM7L truly excels. The combination of mini LED backlighting and quantum dot color results in a vibrant and lifelike viewing experience. HDR support. The TV supports multiple HDR formats, including Dolby Vision IQ HDR10 plus HDR10 HLG. Dolby Vision IQ is particularly useful, as it automatically adjusts brightness and contrast based on ambient lighting conditions. AI processing. The TV uses an AI-powered processor to optimize content in real time. This includes upscaling lower-resolution content to near 4K quality, enhancing color accuracy, improving motion clarity, motion performance with a 144 Hz native refresh rate. The QM7L delivers smooth motion for fast-paced content like sports and action films. Gaming features. The TCL QM7L is built with gamers in mind, offering a range of advanced features that enhance responsiveness and visual performance. Gaming highlights: Game Accelerator 288 VR for smoother gameplay, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, auto low latency mode, 4K at 144 Hz via HDMI 2.1. These features ensure low input lag, reduced screen tearing, and a more immersive gaming experience. Whether you're using a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, the QM7L is well equipped for next-gen gaming. Smart features. The QM7L runs on the Google TV platform, providing a user-friendly and feature-rich smart experience. Key smart features: access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. Built-in Google Assistant for voice control. Chromecast for easy screen mirroring. Personalized content recommendations. Google TV organizes content from various apps into a single interface, making it easier to discover new shows and movies. Audio performance. The TV includes a built-in audio system enhanced with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive surround sound. While the sound quality is impressive for a built-in system, a dedicated soundbar or home theater setup can further enhance the experience, especially given the cinematic scale of the display. Specifications. Here is a detailed look at the key specifications of the TCL 98QM7L. Screen size, 98 inches resolution, 4K UHD, 3842,160. Display technology, SQD Mini LED with quantum dot brightness. Up to 3000 nits local dimming zones, 2100 plus. Refresh rate, 144 Hz native HDR support. Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 plus, HDR10. HLG gaming features, VRR ALM FreeSync Premium Pro operating system, Google TV audio, Dolby Atmos connectivity, HDMI 2.1, USB Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. These specifications highlight the TV's premium positioning and versatility across different use cases. Price. The TCL 98QM7L is priced at approximately $3,999.99 in the United States, placing it in the premium large-screen TV category. While this may seem expensive, it is relatively competitive when compared to other 98-inch TVs from brands like Samsung and Sony, which often cost significantly more. Availability. The TCL 98QM7L is available through TCL's official website and select retailers. However, availability may vary depending on region and stock levels. In some areas, the TV may initially have limited stock due to high demand and its recent launch. Buyers are advised to check with local retailers or online stores for the latest availability and delivery options. Final verdict. The TCL 98QM7L series stands out as one of the most impressive large-screen TVs of 2026. It successfully combines cutting-edge display technology, strong gaming performance, and a feature-rich smart platform into a single package. Its SQD Mini LED technology delivers outstanding brightness and color accuracy, while the high refresh rate and gaming features make it future-proof for next-gen entertainment. Although it requires a large space and a significant investment, the value it offers relative to competitors is hard to ignore. For anyone looking to transform their living room into a cinematic experience, the TCL 98QM7L is a powerful and compelling choice.